System errors causing the Gds32.dll crashes in your apps? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. This DLL file is a database client library used for communicating with InterBase or Firebird database servers. It manages data queries, transaction logic, and network connections for business software relying on these database engines. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The Gds32.dll belongs to the Embarcadero InterBase application bundle. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of Embarcadero InterBase will restore this file and related components. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Gds32 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for the Gds32.dll, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to the Gds32. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including complex Embarcadero InterBase dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.